Okay, you can probably see a little bit better here what I do with this chair. I put this carriage bolt through the wood, through the busted hinge. I just happened to find one in my garage that was the right length. Actually, it was a little bit too long, so I put a couple of washers on this side so it wouldn't push the spoke out on the other. And it works fine. It's real sturdy now. It's kind of faded out, so I'm going to have to put some varnish on it or some other kind of water seal at the in the spring. But for winter, it's going to do. Broke out some spokes, lining it back up after I had sanded it, broken the strings that were holding it together. So I had to put this little 1x2 over here across the top to hold the spokes in. I glued the piece that broke out. And I'll cover over that with some kind of sealant so the rain won't wash it out. The screws and bolts are holding it fine, so that's going to be no problem there. I put a couple more bolts in it. On this side, it's got lanyard on it. Leather lanyard. It's not going to come apart anytime soon. You have to take a knife to it and slice it up to get that to come apart. The sun's not going to degrade it. The sun's just going to make it tighter. Leather lanyard. If I had any leather lanyard, I'd probably put that on this side, but I don't. And I do have clamps and screws, which I held the back on while I was putting the bolts in. I've already been through that, so somewhere else. Okay, that's a chair. It's a place to sit outside. I'm waiting on a bus to pick me up.